Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the JBL Quantum 360X has the latest firmware and your Xbox console is updated. Once done, power the headset and console, plug the supplied USB-C cable into the headset and the USB-A end into the Xbox, or insert the wireless dongle into a front USB port. You do this because the console needs an active USB audio device to enumerate. This initial connection tells Xbox to recognize the headset as an audio peripheral. Once the Xbox detects the headset, you must configure audio. Go to Settings, then General, then Volume and Audio Output. Choose the headset audio format, stereo uncompressed for lowest latency, or a spatial option if you want surround virtualization. Next, set headset chat mixer and balance game versus chat, and raise headset volume if audio seems low. You do this because correct format and mixer settings control latency and ensure chat audio goes to the right channel for multiplayer. To finish, test audio in a party or run a game to confirm both game and chat routes correctly. If something fails, first replug the USB or dongle and try a different port, then restart the Xbox. You do this to force re-enumeration of the audio device. If problems persist, power cycle the headset and update its firmware via PC or the JBL app. One key troubleshooting tip: swapping ports and restarting usually resolves handshake or driver detection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.